Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's prepare authentic Mangalorean recipe. Mangalore Kori Sukka is a Mangalorean special chicken starter recipe. Mangalore Kori Sukka is cooked with grated fresh coconut, dry roasted spices and chicken. First let's dry roast the spices. Dry roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera, half tablespoon of pepper seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 15 to 20 red chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Now let's add few curry leaves. Roast till the spices turn aromatic. Do not burn the spices. Keep the flame low to medium. I will list all the ingredients in the description box. Please check out for the ingredients. Now all the spices are roasted well. Allow them to cool down. Grind it to make a coarse powder. It should not be a fine powder, it should be coarse. Now dry roast 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Roast till it turns slightly brown in color. Now let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast it for a minute. Coconut is roasted well now and the raw smell of the coconut is gone. Keep this away, we will use it later in the recipe. Now let's heat 1 tablespoon of oil. This chicken sukka recipe does not need much oil as we use coconut in this one. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When mustard seeds start to crackle, add 2 big onions sliced lengthwise. Saute till the onion turns transparent. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Now let's add 2 green chilies slit lengthwise. Add few curry leaves and saute for a minute. Cover and cook the onions. Now let's add thoroughly cleaned chicken pieces. Here I have used around 800 grams of chicken. Mix it well with the onions. Let's add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it well. Cover and cook the chicken. When chicken turns whitish, add roasted chicken sukka masala. Mix it well with the chicken. Cover and cook the chicken. Chicken is cooked well now. Oil is getting separated. Now add the roasted coconut. Mix the coconut well with the chicken sukka masala. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can even use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Chicken is cooked well now. Now let's add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. This chicken sukka masala is very easy to make and tastes amazing. Do try this recipe and let us know your comments. Delicious and authentic chicken sukka is ready to serve now. This is Mangalorean famous recipe and you can serve this with chapati, appam or with hot steamed rice. I hope you all liked this recipe. Please give this video a like, share your comments in the comment box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.